For as long as we've gazed at our reflections, a fundamental question has echoed through the corridors of human consciousness. Can we truly defy the relentless grip of time? We've sought fountains of youth in distant lands, whispered incantations to the cosmos, and yearned for a secret to halt the inevitable fading of our vitality. The truth, however, is far more intricate and astonishing than any ancient myth. Imagine a power source within you, a fundamental energy that fuels every thought, every breath, every cellular repair. What if this very source, the bedrock of your biological engine, holds the key to not just a longer life, but a life lived with the vibrancy and clarity of your prime? This isn't about chasing fleeting trends or miracle cures. This is about understanding the core science of aging and unlocking the extraordinary potential already encoded within your DNA. Forget the simplistic notion of anti-aging. We're diving into the realm of optimizing your biological age, enhancing your cellular resilience, and extending your health span, the years you live in robust health and vitality. At Longevity Labs, we don't dabble in speculation. We dissect the cutting-edge science. And today, we're revealing the master conductor of this biological symphony, a molecule that researchers worldwide are hailing as the master key to eternal youth and limitless energy, NAD+. Prepare for a journey deep into the cellular landscape where the secrets of longevity are finally being unveiled. To grasp the profound impact of NAD+, we need to step inside the microscopic world of your cells. Think of your body as an incredibly complex and finely tuned orchestra with trillions of musicians, your cells, working in perfect harmony. NAD+ is the vital conductor, ensuring every section plays its part at the right time and with the right energy. Scientifically, NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a ubiquitous coenzyme found in all living organisms. Its discovery over a century ago by pioneers like Hardin and Young marked the dawn of understanding fundamental metabolic processes. Later, the groundbreaking work of Otto Warburg further illuminated its crucial role in cellular respiration, the very process of life itself. NAD+ exists in a constant state of flux, cycling between two primary forms, NAD+, the active electron-accepting form, and NADH, the electron-carrying form. This dynamic duo is at the heart of energy production within your cell's powerhouses, the mitochondria. Imagine NAD+ as a tiny shuttle bus, constantly collecting spent energy particles, electrons, from metabolic reactions and delivering them to the mitochondria, where they are converted into the life-sustaining fuel ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Without NAD+ to pick up these spent electrons, the entire energy production process grinds to a halt. It's like trying to run a city without a functioning power grid. Every cellular function, from muscle contraction and nerve signaling to DNA repair and immune response, collapses without this fundamental energy transfer orchestrated by NAD+. But NAD+'s role extends far beyond mere energy production. It's also a crucial signaling molecule, influencing a vast network of cellular processes that govern aging and overall health. It's not just fuel, it's information, regulation, and the very essence of cellular vitality. The unsettling truth is that this vital conductor, NAD+, doesn't remain at peak levels throughout our lives. Beginning in our late 20s and accelerating with each passing year, our cellular NAD+ stores begin a steady and often precipitous decline. This isn't some minor inconvenience. It's a fundamental shift in our biological landscape. Why does this depletion occur? Several factors contribute to this age-related betrayal. Increased consumption by energy-intensive processes. As we age, cellular damage accumulates, and processes like DNA repair become more active, demanding greater amounts of NAD+. Think of it like a car needing more fuel as its parts wear down. Enzymes like PARPs, the tireless repair crews of our DNA, consume significant amounts of NAD+ in their efforts to maintain genomic integrity. Think of it as the foundation of your biological house crumbling over time due to lack of maintenance and repair. NAD+ provides the resources for constant upkeep and repair. The rise of NAD+ destroyers. Certain enzymes, most notably CD38, become increasingly active with age and inflammation. CD38 acts like a molecular Pac-Man, relentlessly consuming NAD+ and further accelerating its depletion. Chronic low-grade inflammation, a hallmark of aging, often termed inflammaging, fuels this destructive process. Diminished recycling efficiency. Our bodies have natural pathways to recycle NAD+ precursors, but the efficiency of these pathways also declines with age. The crucial enzyme NAMPT, nicotinamide phosphoribosyltransferase transferase, a key player in this recycling process, can become less effective, hindering our ability to replenish NAD+ from its building blocks. The consequences of this dwindling NAD+ supply ripple throughout our bodies, manifesting in the all-too-familiar signs of aging. The crushing weight of fatigue. Cellular energy production falters, leaving you feeling perpetually drained, even after adequate rest. The mind in a fog. Neuronal function declines, leading to difficulties with focus, memory recall, and overall cognitive sharpness. The bodies slow down. Muscle strength and endurance diminish, recovery from physical activity becomes prolonged, and overall physical performance declines. The metabolic mess. Our metabolism becomes less efficient at processing nutrients and managing weight, increasing the risk of metabolic disorders. And the unseen fire of inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation is exacerbated by low NAD+, and, in turn, further depletes it, creating a dangerous cycle that underlies many age-related diseases. Ignoring this silent decline is akin to ignoring the warning lights on your car's dashboard. It's a fundamental issue that impacts every aspect of your health and longevity. NAD+ is not merely a fuel source, it's a master regulator, a key that unlocks a cascade of protective and rejuvenating processes within your cells. Its influence extends to the very core of what determines how we age, the architect of genetic integrity. Imagine your DNA as the intricate blueprint of your life. It's constantly under attack from internal metabolic byproducts and external environmental stressors. NAD+ is the indispensable fuel for the enzymes that act as your cellular architects and repair crews, most notably the PARP family. These enzymes detect and mend breaks and errors in your DNA, ensuring the integrity of your genetic code. Without sufficient NAD+, these repair mechanisms falter, leading to an accumulation of DNA damage. This genomic instability is a primary driver of aging and increases the risk of cellular dysfunction and even mutations that can lead to serious health issues. Think of it as the foundation of your biological house crumbling over time due to lack of maintenance and repair. NAD+ provides the resources for constant upkeep and repair. The symphony of longevity. Elaborating on Sirtuins. The discovery of Sirtuins and their direct dependence on NAD+ has been a monumental breakthrough in longevity research, spearheaded by visionary scientists like Dr. David Sinclair and others. Sirtuins are a family of 7 highly conserved proteins that act as master regulators of cellular health. They are involved in a staggering array of protective functions. Gene regulation. Sirtuins can silence genes associated with aging and activate genes that promote youthfulness and resilience. It's like having a cellular volume control for the aging process. Inflammation control. They play a crucial role in dampening inflammatory responses, preventing the chronic, low-grade inflammation that accelerates aging and underlies many diseases. Mitochondrial biogenesis. They stimulate the creation of new and healthy mitochondria, ensuring your cellular powerhouses remain efficient and robust. Autophagy enhancement. They promote the process of autophagy, where damaged cellular components are broken down and recycled, keeping your cells clean and functioning optimally. Think of it as a cellular spring cleaning. Without adequate NAD+ levels, these vital Sirtuins become sluggish and ineffective, unable to perform their crucial guardian duties. It's like having a security system for your cells that runs out of power. The implications of understanding and influencing NAD+ are profound. This isn't about chasing miracle cures. It's about leveraging the fundamental biology of aging to extend our years of healthy living. The scientific evidence, gathered from countless studies and preclinical models and a growing body of human research, paints a compelling picture. Enhanced energy and reduced fatigue. By fueling mitochondrial function, optimized NAD+ levels can lead to a noticeable increase in overall energy and a reduction in persistent fatigue. Sharper cognitive function. Supporting neuronal health and energy production can translate to improved focus, memory, and cognitive clarity. Improved metabolic health. NAD+ plays a crucial role in regulating glucose metabolism and fat oxidation, potentially aiding in weight management and reducing the risk of metabolic disorders. Greater cellular resilience. By supporting DNA repair and activating Sirtuins, optimal NAD+ levels can enhance the body's ability to withstand cellular stress and damage. Support for muscle health and recovery. NAD+ is essential for muscle energy production and repair, potentially leading to improved strength, endurance, and faster recovery.